Students, today here have come two students, Gauri and Sujata. They will present a conversation in front of you. These girls, they are students of 7th standard. Listen to them carefully.
I am Sujata. I am Gauri. We will presenting a conversation. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I want some apple. Do you have them? Yes, fresh apples are here. How much are they? They are 100 rupees per kilo. Okay, give me 1 kilo. Anything else? Yes, I need some milk. Here is the milk. Thank you. How much in total?